day for unboxing. But there's people there I saw on the side. Double check. We're here at the municipal. That is our municipal here, or city hall.
Let's try this. It's mint.
Au début, on coche tout, tu mets les fripettes et on va voir dans les livres.
Oh, I forgot. The 29 is so low.
Oh,
You mustn't forget the next time.
yes.
No. She was like that behind me. I say, fuck, I'm going to tell her this time, huh? And I say,
That's why I didn't react, because I thought you were
I say slowly, can you wait 2 minutes? I'm not going to push the man in front. And then she was, yeah, yeah, yeah. Then I say, the old people, they can never wait. Even the man in front was laughing.
Yeah.
He said he was like that with the. I only pay 16 of them.
Ah, okay.
Good, huh?
Yeah. Why? How much is the total of this?
The total of all this, it was 49.
Ah, okay.
So okay, I didn't include the check for tomorrow. I can put my drinks and my food tomorrow. I think I'm going to take the freelance chicken for me work. Maybe a chicken for the house.
Yeah. Hello. Another unboxing day. So this came from Shein. This is for the luggage. So we're going to travel soon and we're gonna need this for our luggage to protect it from breaking. This is for the perfume. So instead of bringing big bottles, so I'm going to put some in here. Dress. A shirt for my son. Another dress. For my son. Another dress. For my son. And a pair of socks. I like Shein because it's very convenient to order online and the delivery is fast. And I'm happy with all the clothes that I buy from Shein. Thanks for watching. Bye. Your chakra pa also?
That I buy last time at Intermarché at Ligosier.
Ah.
We got the food for tomorrow. We got food.
Oh, wow, amazing. Shein is not lying. Good morning. Hello. Hello. Oh, I don't know if he's shy or not in the mood or snobbish or he's tired. Oh, sorry, he's not in the mood. Hey, going to sleep. He's in the don't disturb me moment. Happy weekend, everyone. Di ba nila alam, tayo'y nagsumpaan na ako'y sa'yo at kay akin lamang. Kahit anong mangyari, pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo pa rin. Kahit ano pa ang sabihin nila, ikaw pa rin ang mahal. Maghihintay ako kahit kailan, kahit na umabot pa ako'y nasa langit na.
Ça, c'est quelqu'un comme mon acolyte. Si quelqu'un a mon acolyte, au moins,
What?
You want to send a colleague somewhere?
On est content. Elle lui fait une boîte, elle est contente.
Le lait sucré,
On a commandé.
t'achètes ça en Allemagne, 1,7 € la boîte.
C'est tellement des croquis du recyclé.
La boîte c'est 1,7 €. Ici, en Belgique, c'est 4,50 €. Alors j'achète 10 en Allemagne. Mini Dairy is 10.
Oh, Olden Pep.
No, that's your transport.
Yes.
Et entre 1 euro et 5 euros.
2,
1,7 €.
4, 6, 8, 10. Yes.
La poutine à
Lots of condensed milk. It's cheaper to order in Amazon. Yeah. This came from Germany.
It's the same taste.
Here in Belgium, the price is double. So we get to save a lot when if we order in Germany.
You go put it there.